just mixed some of my slimes, and then I was like, why can't I show the rest to YouTube? And so now I'm going to show the rest to you guys of all the slime I mixed. I mixed a bunch of slimes, mostly containers are here. I mixed most of them so far, but I still have like a lot more to go. So I thought I was just going to show you guys. I forgot that I forgot about I know how to do YouTube videos because I kind of just started, you know. So now that was kind of weird, but now here is go. Here's another one. Mixing not one of my slimes because it's it has candle wax in it, and it's literally my favorite slime. So I'm not gonna add that one, but I'll show it to you guys. So this is not off the edge. So big, guys. Now I'm gonna get yeah, you can add candle wax here to and it makes it smell really good, and it doesn't make the slime hard. And it comes for a pretty long time. I just thought of my slime, and then I was like, I was trying to expand it because I had candle wax, like cut up candle wax. Because I had this thing where you could put some in and it smells the room, and you put it in this thing and you have to put water on it and it sprays all the stuff out, so it makes the bedroom smell really good. It's a really cool little machine thing. And so yeah, and then I just grabbed some. I was trying to experiment to see if it made it hard or not. And then I tried it, and then I was waiting for the next day to see what happens, and nothing happened to it, so I was really excited about that, and I really have nobody to play with because most of my friends are out, and one of my friends isn't my friend anymore. Her name's Juliet. I wish she would be my friend, but I really like this one that I just added. This sun is gonna get really big, guys. Myself, Julia. We're really good friends, so you wouldn't know that. So guys, this sun is this one here is pretty big. I was painting this one really big. That's back. Guys, this isn't all. So I'm not done mixing it either. And guys, I'm gonna add a slime, and once I add it, I'll show you. And then I'm gonna be right back once it's all mixed. I actually didn't mix it. I kind of just added it. And guys, then I'll actually come back once it all mixed. Okay guys, now I'm gonna reveal what the color looks like and how it looks. And I think I have a little bit more pink to mix. But then I think I'm perfect. And then I'm just gonna get it ready, and then you guys can Okay guys, now you guys can see it. Well, that's what it looks like. Get it. Clean this up. Okay, I'm back, and I also really want you guys to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye!